Hello, friends. Hope you're doing great. Let us learn some grammar in today's lesson. I'm going to revise the basics of going to. How to use the word going to. We often use present verb forms to talk about the future. For example, we said that something is going to happen. This happens when we can see the future in the present, when a future situation is starting or clearly on the way. It's going to rain. They are going to crash. He is going to dive. She is going to have a baby. He is going to get on the bus. Next, she is going to read a letter. Next, she's going to drink, in brackets, a cup of coffee. She is going to open a bottle. The cat / it is going to catch a mouse. Next, the children / the boys / they are going to fight. We often use going to for plans and intentions, especially in conversation. We are going to get a new car soon. When are you going to get your hair cut? I'm going to keep asking her out until she says yes. Put the verbs in the right places to complete the sentences. Use going to. Note, there are too many verbs. Jane is going to study music in Vienna. She's going to try to become a professional pianist this summer. She is going to spend 3 months studying German, in brackets, spend, try, work, study, bracket closed. Next, Max is going to do maths and science for his school leaving exams. Then he's going to spend the summer learning to fly. In the autumn, he's going to start a 2-year training course for airline pilots. In brackets, start, spend, go, do, bracket closed. Next, Jennifer's 8, and she doesn't know what she's going to do. One day, she says she's going to be a dancer, and the next, she says she's going to work with animals. This summer, she's going to stay with her aunt in America, in brackets, take, work, do, stay, be, bracket closed. Next, Annie is going to decorate the house this summer. Then she's going to spend 2 weeks walking in Scotland in the autumn. She's going to start a new job as a translator. Under brackets, start, decorate, spend, play, bracket closed. We move to the revised basics of present progressive for future. We often use the present progressive to talk about future personal arrangements and plans that are already fixed now, especially when we give the time, date, and / or place. What are you doing this evening? I'm washing my hair. My car's having a service next week. We are going to Spain in June. Did you know I'm getting a new job? What are we having for dinner? Next, look at the diary and correct the sentences. 1. She's playing tennis on Sunday morning. Next, Matthew is coming to see her on Sunday afternoon. Next, she's having lunch with James at 12:30 on Wednesday. Next, she's flying to Amsterdam on Thursday. Next, she's meeting Mrs. Parson in the Oxford office. Next, she's going to the meeting with Mrs. Parsons by train. Next, she's going to a funeral on Wednesday morning. Next, she's meeting the accountants at 4 p.m. on Monday. She is going to the theater on Friday evening. Next, she's spending Saturday at the races.